be.
Does he still go up?
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe he's at the bottom.
Does make you wonder, don't it?
See the camera now?
Yeah, I see it now. Makes you wonder, like, is that his job to just drive around and just clock people? I'm never going to understand how this road is left.
No.
It's like they do keep doing potholes, but still does not compute in my head.
It's not even Cliff, it's an old road. Like, they can't believe roads. It's like their life expectancy is like 5 years.
I know.
And then they're completely muddy. It's like, come on, they should be like guaranteed for at least 10.
It's just quite funny as you're driving up. As you are. I'm having a brain malfunction. What the f*** is she looking at?
I think I need to, you know them laser light bars?
I know.
I need one of them.
I
I need to
reckon so
run
as well.
it constantly.
Well, that's just made me think. Where's the engine on a motorbike? What, where you sit? Oh, really?
Where you sit?
How do you do an oil change on a bike then?
Similar to what you're doing on a car. Got an little oil filler, it's got a drain hole, it's got a fill hole. It's got a sight glass in it so you can see the level.
I never thought about it until just then, if you know what I mean. Because I just said about everything being exposed, and then just made me go, wait, where's the engine? Where's the engine on a moped then? Same place? I guess that keeps your bum toasty then, doesn't it?
You can do. The heat don't really, because air blows through it, you pretty much, the heat gets ejected everywhere else.
He's got issues. Surely you've got to look in your mirror and see that.
Like that.
Well, yeah. I just feel like surely you've got to look and go, why is there like blue smoke? Oh wow, someone's hit that barrier again. How does that? How?
It does cost the council a fortune.
I don't know why they bother, to be fair. I guess they have to, because otherwise they're going to end up in the ditch, and that's probably worse, isn't
Stick
it?
giant spikes there.
That'll stop her, won't it? Do you imagine? That cork lorry looks massive. I don't know if it was just the angle that you kind of look at it at. That's 26 tonne, that's probably why.
Proper lorry. It's good that you see a proper one today. It's raining over there.
It almost seems that way, doesn't it? Or is it just because it's foggy? That's a proper lorry as well.
Oh, no.
Yes, it's a proper lorry.
It hasn't birthed its rear axle
It's a
yet.
proper lorry.
It's got like a leg amputated.
It's a proper lorry.
Maybe we'll wait to see another proper lorry.
That was a proper lorry.
Oh, that is a proper lorry. That's like fully grown.
That's just inconvenient, isn't it?
That's like people that have got proper lorry licenses.
Yeah, but
They
that
drive
one,
those.
that one we just saw was a proper lorry too.
It was a practice one.
It was a proper lorry.
It's like a bike with stabilisers.
Proper lorry. Can go off people, you know.
Oh look, there's some more proper lorries.
No, they've got no trailers, so they don't proper.
Yeah, but grown-ups can, like proper grown-ups can use them.
Yeah, same as the first one put his hand up. It's alright, they've done the same as what I did though, haven't they?
Fair play to them. It's nice that they're being nice. And it's like what goes around comes
The thing
around.
is, it's something you do without thinking.
Yeah.
That's what I found anyway.
But I kind of have to stick by the rules of the road. I kind of have to stop. It's like, thank you very much and all that.
You're welcome for being polite, but just doing what I'm supposed to do, isn't it?
So,
It's well foggy, man.
so I've got my fog lights on.
Definitely.
I think it declares full fog lights.
That's the tiniest bit of fog in the air. Must have fog lights.
Shame we ain't got a light bar.
Or no headlights.
If we had a lovely laser light bar, I'd be sticking that on so we could improve our visibility and be seen.
Completely agree.
But it's still better than having to go through 6 sub-menus and select different options.
It would still be easier to turn the fog lights on in the truck than it would be in a Skoda. But the thing is, it's a little bit of a misconception in a way, because you have to use a computer on a truck or on a Mercedes, but there is a button underneath the screen to actually get the light menu up. I didn't actually realise that until a couple of months ago, bearing in mind how long I'd been driving that truck for. Because I was always swiping through to get to the lights until I realised there's a the thing is, the button is so obviously to do with lights as well, but for some reason it didn't cross my mind that's what it was, if you know what I mean. So I was always going, oh, I need to put my lights on, swipe through, and it's like, there it is, blah, blah, blah. When I could just go button, job done, you know.
Which one of you is going to jot out and ruin my day?
All of the above. Unsmoked gammon joints, half price. Maybe we'll get some reduced sausages again.
Maybe that would go.
That would be very good. Come in here just to look for the reduced stuff. There's space there. There's space there.
But this isn't our area.
Yeah, but you could like ruin the tone of the place.
This is our area.
I want to take a right on your disco step. Makes me cringe so hard. Such a weird worded thing for a song, isn't it? Buzzing.
It's letting you know the trim's still there. Hasn't fallen off yet.
It's just the fact it does it like, but only when you're like reversing back slowly, kind of thing.
Backwards.
Backwards.
As you would say.
Yeah.
When you're reversing backwards.
I know.
I am kind of taking a space and a bit up, but good luck to anyone that wants to park next to our car when they see the scratches.
It might have a really, but it's alright, that car's over the line anyway, so it's kind of one of them, isn't it?
That'll do, Gromit.
I think the spaces in here are just massively flawed myself. I feel like they need to do, something. They improved it by getting rid of them sleepers. Now they need to do something with the spaces. It's alright, the person over there is being watched into the space, so...
I'd watch you into the space, to be fair. I've seen your parking.
Is it because my parking is that good you'd be like, oh, I would.
Oh, it's an urban.
Oh, do you think it actually is though?
Well, it's got urban on the bonnet.
Yeah, but that don't mean nothing anyway.
I wonder if this is an urban. That looks like an urban.
No, that's a Rebel.
Oh.
Whatever that means.
Not heard of Rebel before.
Me neither. Oh, Yeti.
Hey.
And it's a 4x4.
That's a proper car.
That's a proper car.
Good choice.
He's got a Yeti on his parcel shelf.
Good choice, him or her.
They have a stuffed Yeti on their parcel shelf. That makes me happy.
Hey, well done them.
Well done them.
Frontage.
You can go left if you want.
Oh, left. Can't get me lost.
I know. That's why I'm doing it. Maybe it's quite a dip off that edge.
I understand. Hello.
Whee.
Just going to run in this gutter a little bit. Just because no one knows the width of their vehicle.
I like that when that happens when you're in a truck, because it's like, well, I can't run in that gutter a little bit, because if I run in that gutter a little bit, then I'm going to be in the ditch.
Why is the one being so close to my car?
This car does seem to have a target on it recently, it appears.
I want to jump on my car. They want to crash into me. I will push them very far.
I wouldn't go off this edge, because I think you are going to pop a tyre off the rim.
It's a bit of an issue though. I'm going to lose a wing mirror.
Yeah, I'd probably go down.
No one seems to want to move over. I quite like the mirrors on the car.
It does confuse me why this road hasn't been made a little bit wider, I can't lie.
I don't think it needs to be made wide, it just needs people to know the width of their vehicle.
No, but with the fact that it's so like that, it's like there is room that they could make it a bit wider.
They have put gravel down, I don't know if you saw, like to make it a bit wider, but no one wants to run on it.
No, but then equally it dips down quite a lot, it's weird, isn't it?
Look at all the daffy.
I know, I do like this time of year for all of that stuff. I nearly got out of the truck and nearly put my foot on the daffodil the other day. I was like, you know when you go to put your foot down, but you look first, and it's like my foot was hovering over the top of this poor little daffodil. You don't know how to work your car.
But apparently I hadn't set the cruise control, so trying to resume it, it was just like...
Did it not work?
I have no memory of any speed.
Oopsie. My favourite ones are the ones with the little orange middles, I think.
So much Sahara dust on our car.
understand why. How does that happen? I know they said that it was going to like happen, but I don't understand like how. Where does it come from?
Well, not to point out the obvious,
Well, no,
but I'm going to guess Newcastle. Guessing that's where it's coming
no,
from.
I don't mean that. I mean like
Newcastle.
just how does it travel so far? Do you know what I mean?
Anton Deck.
Well, Anton Deck go around and sprinkle it everywhere.
Yeah. It's only about people that come to my head from Newcastle.
Good point, actually. To be fair, didn't they live at? I thought they were Liverpool.
Wow.
I never thought about it. Somebody had a Gusto box left on their doorstep back then.
Should we steal that?
Yeah. What do you think Gusto is? Is that basically like Hello Fresh?
Yeah, I think so. Get 10% off. If you quote,
Maybe we need it. Wait, is there
got an Alana 10.
is there a website you can go to like almost put your name down to do these brand deal things?
Do you know what? I'm assuming there must be somewhere.
I feel like we need to look into it. I want to do one for like Hello Fresh.
We are the prime examples of people that always eat healthy.
Exactly. That's why I feel like but I want to do it for the ironies factor, not for any other reason. Oh, I didn't know.
Well, let's go McDonald's. Get 10% off your McDonald's.
See, that would be more appropriate for us, doesn't it? I'd love
What,
to know.
2 people that haven't been to McDonald's in like...
No, I just mean our status.
Yeah.
By the way, that recovery thing going the other way just made me think, coming home the other night, there was, I think it's Able Assist, one of the local, your flatbed class 2 recovery doers. There was one of them, 26 plate, brand new, right, shiny as anything, really satisfying to look at. It got a car on the back, and it got old straps strapping the car down.
Aww.
Why would you have a 26 plate recovery thing and not have brand new straps?
So near, but yet so far.
I know. It's like, that would make me sad to be got a brand spanking new truck and we got the old straps. Don't get me wrong, they didn't look as bogging as what they sometimes do, but I just looked and expected them to have really nice clean straps, and they didn't. And it just disappointed me big time. When will they fix this f***ing roundabout?
So I'm just going to do like 10 miles an hour around it.
Oh,
Just so I don't slash a sidewalk.
Yeah. It's a very nice Defender camper type thing down there. Oh dear.
You have to give way. Okay, then, but not.
Fucking idiot.
Jeez Louise. Like, that's a giveaway line, mate. Are you going to do it again? Go for it. I'm just going to hold you there a little bit.
People
That's it, you go for it. I'm doing
like that anger, mate.
I'm doing about
like,
68.
He's oblivious to the fact, though. That's the funny thing. I bet you any money.
I love the rules of the road.